Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Monero. It's ticker symbol XMR, and its valuations against Bitcoin. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So with Monero, it's up, right? It's up 4.5% for today, in comparison to other cryptocurrencies that are in the red. Monero seems to be the odd man out, in terms of following the trend of other altcoins, which always made Monero interesting. But in all actuality, if you do zoom out, it's not much of a move. Okay, it's not much of a move. And in fact, that it's been holding this level for quite some time now, ever since 2019. It held this level. We dipped below it, but when we came back above, we held this level again. So, what does this mean, and what can we expect from Monero going forward? I still think Monero will do well. There is just certain risks about it currently that I'm hesitant to hold a position in. And you can apply the same kind of logic with XRP, but I still hold that asset. So if I had to, like, in my perspective, I chose XRP over Monero for rate of return, potential rate of return. But I still think Monero is going to do well. And when we see this structure here, right, this up, down, rally up before a drop, come back up, and test support, this looks a lot similar to this structure here, right? We see the rally, the dip, the set dead cat bounce, the ultimate capitulation, come back up, test support, and then we're off to the races. So I see kind of similar structures here, and this will be very, very interesting to watch, and we'll see going forward how Monero will fare. And when you kind of stack Bitcoin, so I'm gonna pull Bitcoin up here, and I'm gonna stack it with XMR Bitcoin. We want to see where, exactly does the rally begin, right? So you could say that this is the start of the rally, right? Where is this? This is after Bitcoin did a monthly a multi-month test of the 20-week moving average, if you could see that, right? So from this point here, it was testing the 20-week moving average, and when Bitcoin rallied, this is when Monero started. And then we see the peak after the second test of the 20-week moving average right here. So, in other words, don't expect Monero to make a move now. Rather, one must wait until Bitcoin's back above the 20-week moving average to expect any major move from Monero. And so, obviously, like, if you have been watching my previous videos, you know that I've been mentioning that there's a chance that there's a lot of traders that are front running the market, because they believe that Bitcoin is inevitably going to break the 20-week moving average in August. And so because of that, if they believe that it's going to break it, then this would be a good time to buy altcoins, to buy it at these prices rather than trending up to waiting for a confirmation from Bitcoin that the bull run is in, and then altcoins will rally. People are buying at lower prices here, and that's affecting the price. And I think that's what you're seeing with Monero today. I think that's what you've been seeing with Ethereum for the past few weeks. I think it's what you've been seeing with Chainlink, with Uniswap. Uniswap's doing amazing the past few weeks, etc. But I would say no major moves going to happen until Bitcoin's back above the 20-week moving average. So you can uh, buy here if you want to. I mean, I don't really care, but you can buy here on the premise that you believe that Bitcoin's going to break above the 20-week moving average. There's a chance that it doesn't, but if you believe 100%, then sure, I guess you can accumulate your XMR here. Or you can wait until Bitcoin breaks above the 20-week moving average, comes back down, holds it as support, and then start accumulating then. As you can see with Monero, should you have waited until Bitcoin tests the 20-week moving average, you'd be buying somewhere at this level here rather than down here, for example. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.